Namaste. How are all of you? And here I am in Rishikesh because as a lot of you know that our yoga holiday starts next week, and I do hope that a whole lot of you are joining us for this yoga holiday. In the meantime, are you keeping up with guideline 1 of using iron vessels, kadais and tawas in your kitchen? And are you also keeping up with the second guideline of eating dahi with raisins? Whereas I have been checking out a whole lot of your Insta and Facebook stories, so I do know that you're keeping up with those two guidelines. Alright, so what is the guideline for week number 3? Week number 3 ka guideline may catch you off guard, but it's a meetha guideline. It's a sweet one, and you're going to be surprised when you see it. Ta-da! It's about having sugar cane juice regularly. तो sugar cane juice आपको कब लेना चाहिए वो मैं अभी आपको बताऊंगी, लेकिन I'll tell you why this can be a surprise for you, but it's actually something that India has been using since ancient time. हर एक पूजा के मंडप को sugar cane सजाता है. Sugar cane की sugar cane लोहड़ी के फायर को भी हम लोग ऑफर करते हैं. This is exactly what gets offered even to Vishnu during Tulsi Vivah, and it is something that is offered to the god, to the sun god in Pongal. So right from the time of Tulsi Vivah all the way up to Holi, it is sugar cane that we celebrate. It is the harvest of the season. It's a coolant drink, but it comes in season in the winters. So how should you have it? Well, you have it freshly squeezed. That's number 1. Number 2, you have it before 12 o'clock in the afternoon, because it's a coolant, it's a pitta shamak. You want to have it before 12 o'clock in the afternoon. And the third thing is that when you're having the sugarcane juice, you should sit down and have that juice. Now sugarcane is known in Ayurveda for for its multiple therapeutic benefits. It's an antioxidant rich stem. It's a stem, it's not a fruit. Sugar cane is actually a grass, so this is an antioxidant rich stem. It is also full of fiber, and it is full of micro minerals. It is a diuretic. Diuretic matlab jo peete hi aapko susu aa jata hai, that is what is called as diuretic. So if you want to get rid of your bloating, constipation and acidity, the sugar cane is what you should be drinking. It is a natural detox, and isliye right from the time that we know, अगर किसी को भी jaundice होता है, then one of the therapies that one falls back on is to start chewing on sugarcane, because it works as a natural detox. ये आपके liver को काम करने में मदद करता है. The third thing that it does is that it helps in fertility. So whether it is sperm quality or it is lactation for young mommies, sugarcane helps with both of them, which is exactly why for its for its qualities of being a natural detox, for its qualities of being a diuretic, for its qualities of being something which will help you get rid of constipation, it becomes an integral part of most layams or of most Ayurvedic, natural or ancient therapies. So for more reasons than one, you should be eating or drinking the sugarcane juice regularly. वैसे I'll tell you a secret. But before I tell you the secret, I'll tell you one more secret or an observation. अगर आपने कोई भी vernacular movie देखी है, जैसे पंजाबी हो, मराठी हो या तमिल हो और whatever, you will always see the hero chewing on the sugarcane, and that is because it is good. It's a fertility booster. If there is someone who can chew on the sugarcane, it means that they're going to do good, with you. What's the secret that I really wanted to tell you? Now here's the kitchen secret of sugarcane. If you are a girl who gets spotting before her periods, all that you need to do, because when we get spotting, that brownish discharge, that blackish discharge, you can get really upset and keep waiting for your periods to come, and it can be a burden both physically and emotionally for you. Start having sugarcane juice a week before your periods. This is also true for women whose second day of periods is extremely troublesome. So if your second day is tougher as compared to your first day, then also you need to have the sugarcane. And for the third thing here is for all those of you who wake up in the night to go to do susu, then in the morning you must make sure that you are chewing on the sugarcane or having a glass of sugarcane juice. So remember this, if you're spotting, if your second day is tougher than the first day, if you wake up in the middle of night with thirst, then you need to have the sugarcane much more regularly than what you're having right now. I hope you have enjoyed this guideline 3, because this sugarcane juice, it keeps the potential of going the golden milk route. You know what I mean by that? I mean that it has just so many therapeutic benefits that it is only a matter of time before the food industry discovers it and begins to sell it to you. So before it is called #green nectar, make it a part of your life. Drink it regularly, at least 3 times every week. And remember, it needs to be before noon, freshly squeezed, and have it while sitting down. Thank you very much for watching. There are forms that that you need to fill. Make sure that you're filling out those forms. And now if you have any questions, I'm ready to answer them.
Okay, so the first question is that the guideline is having it every day or at least thrice a week?
At least thrice a week. I'd be very happy if you have it every day, because this is really the season. You know, see, it's winter and this is a coolant drink, but this is in season right now. And you know how it helps you? Most of us will forget to have water during winters. Most of us are not adequately hydrated, and then we get constipation, we get acne, we get aches and pains in the joint, and sugarcane will help with all of that. So if you have like a little bit of bump here and there which you would like to get rid of, sugarcane is the answer.
कब तक लेना चाहिए शुगरकेन, कौन से महीने तक?
देखिए, आपको होली तक तो आप ऑलमोस्ट एवरी डे पी सकते हो. उसके बाद में जब गर्मी का मौसम है, तो जब भी आपको बहुत ऐसे लगेगा कि एसिडिटी आपको हो गई है या हीट आपको आपके बॉडी में ज़्यादा लग रही है, या जब भी ज़्यादा वीकनेस है, तभी आपको शुगरकेन का जूस लेना चाहिए. बहुत लोग इसे एनीमिया में भी यूज़ करते हैं. एनीमिया इज़ व्हेन आपका हीमोग्लोबिन का लेवल बहुत लो हो, बहुत सारा वीकनेस हो, आईज में येलो दिख रहा हो, नेल्स में जब क्रैक्स हो, तो शुगरकेन जूस.
डायबिटिक्स के लिए क्या
डायबिटिक्स के लिए भी ये सेफ है. अगर आपको डायबिटीज़ है, अगर आपको थायराइड है, अगर आपको पीसीओडी है, अगर आपको सिर्फ मोटापे की बीमारी है, फिर भी आप इसे आराम से ले सकते हो. यू नीड टू ड्रिंक अ लिटिल बिट. मतलब हमेशा जब भी गन्ने वाले के पास जाओ, हमेशा आधा ग्लास ही लेना, पूरा ग्लास नहीं लेना. और आधे ग्लास में भी अगर आप देखोगे तो थोड़ा सा काला नमक आता है, थोड़ा सा अदरक आता है, थोड़ा सा पुदीना आता है. तो ये बहुत ही अच्छा इसका फ्रेशली स्क्वीज्ड आपको जूस मिलेगा. उसको आधा कप आप लीजिए रेगुलरली 3 to 5 times a week, and you will notice that you're feeling much lighter on your stomach and you're looking much fresher on your face. Wait, one more thing. Sugarcane is also very rich in alpha hydroxy acids. So these are हर एक स्किन क्रीम में, हर एक एंटी एजिंग सीरम का ये नेचुरल कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट है. तो ये नेचुरल एंटी एजिंग, नेचुरल क्लेंजिंग एजेंट है, लेकिन सस्ता है और हमारे यहाँ पर मिलता है, इसीलिए पब्लिक इसको खाता नहीं है. तो आप प्लीज़ इसे रेगुलरली खाइए.
शुगरकेन जूस से वेट लॉस होगा क्या?
इसमें एक्चुअली एक ऐसा मॉलिक्यूल है जो कि आई डोंट नो हाउ टू से इट करेक्टली, इट्स कॉल्ड सम पिनोकोलिन और समथिंग लाइक दैट. पर अगर आप इसे एक्सेसिवली लो तो एक्चुअली येस, इट इज़ नोन टू हेल्प यू बूस्ट योर मेटाबॉलिज्म. सो ये वेट लॉस में भी आपको मदद करता है. देखिए, जो भी आपके पेट को साफ रखता है, जो भी आपके ऑर्गन्स के फंक्शनिंग में मदद करता है, वो हमेशा आपको वेट लॉस में मदद करेगा ही. नेचुरल खाना जो सीजन में है, जो अभी खेतों में बन रहा है, जिसे फेस्टिवल्स में यूज़ किया जाता है, इज़ ऑलवेज गुड फॉर सस्टेनेबल वेट लॉस.
तो बहुत सारे लोग पूछ रहे हैं कि वेयर आर यू राइट नाउ?
I am in Rishikesh right now. As you can see, I'm right here by the banks of the Holy Mother Ganga. और मैं यहाँ पर हूँ क्योंकि अगले हफ्ते 26 तारीख से हमारा योगा हॉलिडे शुरू हो रहा है उषा जी के साथ, जो कि बहुत ही वेल नोन योगा टीचर है. हमारे ऋषिकेश योगा हॉलिडे को आप भी हमारे साथ जुड़ जाइए. कनेक्ट विथ हिमालय के वेबसाइट पर आपको सारी डिटेल्स मिल जाएंगी. So yes, I'm in Rishikesh enjoying the winter sun and the sugarcane.
Okay, last question. So in week 3, we have to follow all the 3 guidelines.
Obviously, आपको सारी guidelines follow करनी है. So you have to use the iron kadhai and the iron tawa and the iron spatula. You have to have your dahi with black raisins regularly, and you must have #green nectar before it becomes #green nectar. गन्ने के जूस को या गन्ने को तोड़ के खाइए, मज़ा लीजिए. अगर आप उसे चबा रहे हैं तो थूकने के पहले देखिए कहाँ थूक रहे हो, खुद ही के हाथ में लेके फिर बाद में डस्टबिन में फेंकिए. स्वच्छ भारत ही रखिए. Thank you very much for watching. See you next Tuesday at 4 PM और एक गाइडलाइन लेके आपसे दोबारा जुड़ूंगी. तब तक के लिए 3 गाइडलाइंस फॉलो कीजिए, फॉर्म्स फिल कीजिए. धन्यवाद.